The next war for the digital world won't begin with soldiers. It begins with code.
AI lets attackers scan deeper, test faster, and find weak points before defenders can react. The nightmare is not advanced technology. It is powerful technology in reckless hands. One forgotten server can become a vendor breach, a supply chain failure, and an economic shockwave. The bottleneck is no longer finding bugs. It is verifying, fixing, and deploying patches fast enough. Every hour matters. Every delay gives attackers another opening. The exploit window is shrinking, but this is not where the machines win. This is where defenders learn to move faster. When humans and machines work together, chaos becomes priority. Noise becomes signal. Panic becomes next-level models will find more flaws. The real test is knowing which ones matter. When one trusted system fails, speed becomes survival. The winner is whoever acts first. This is not tool against tool. It is fluency against ignorance, discipline against chaos. The future does not belong to the tools. It belongs to the people who master them.